Welcome to our channel. If you've been thinking about starting your own blog for affiliate income and building passive revenue streams, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to set up your blog and start earning money. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in activating your blog for affiliate income is selecting a niche. Find a topic you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Consider areas where you can share your expertise and where affiliate products are available. Research the competition to ensure there's room for your unique voice. Step 2. Select a blogging platform. Next, choose a blogging platform that suits your needs. WordPress.org is a popular choice due to its flexibility and functionality. Alternatively, you can consider platforms like Wix or Squarespace for an easier setup. Make sure the platform you choose supports affiliate links and has good SEO capabilities. Step 3. Get a domain name and hosting. Pick a memorable domain name related to your niche and register it with a domain registrar. Following this, sign up for a reliable hosting service. Many hosting providers offer one-click installations for WordPress, making it easy to get your blog up and running. Step 4. Design your blog. After setting up your hosting and domain, it's time to design your blog. Choose a clean and user-friendly theme that aligns with your niche. Customize your layout, colors, and fonts to create a unique brand image. Ensure your blog is mobile responsive to accommodate viewers on all devices. Step 5. Create quality content. Content is king when it comes to blogging. Start writing high-quality articles that provide value to your readers. Focus on topics related to your niche and incorporate relevant keywords to improve SEO. Remember to include a mix of informative posts, reviews, and personal stories to engage your audience. Step 6. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once your blog starts gaining traction, it's time to find affiliate programs that fit your content. Popular options include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Research different programs within your niche, sign up, and generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Step 7. Promote your blog. To attract visitors, you'll need to promote your blog. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest to share your content. Engage with your audience through comments and communities to build a following. Consider email marketing to keep your readers informed and encourage repeat visits. Step 8. Monitor performance and optimize. After your blog is live, continuously monitor its performance using tools like Google Analytics. Pay attention to which content drives traffic and sales. Optimize your posts by improving SEO, updating links, and refreshing content to keep it relevant. Step 9. Scale up your efforts. Once you start seeing positive results, look for ways to scale your efforts. Consider creating additional content types, such as videos or podcasts, to reach a broader audience. Explore more affiliate partnerships and consider guest blogging to boost visibility. Step 10. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful blog for affiliate income takes time. Be patient and stay persistent. Keep refining your strategy based on analytics and feedback. The more you learn and adapt, the more successful your blog will become. Thank you for joining us on this journey to activate your own blog for affiliate income. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Happy blogging!